Swagatam, welcome back to my channel. What? Nothing. Then why are you laughing? Don't you know? No, I don't know. I am you. I am you. I know. I know that. Okay, let me tell you, that was the worst intro I have ever seen. That's not true. What do you think? That is not that bad. But you too? Leave it. So, in today's video, we are going to play the game of puzzle. So guys, I wanted to ask that can we hit 1000 subscribers till 23 of July 2020? Because it's my birthday and I really want it to happen. It would be very big gift for me. First, who watch? They watch me. I mean, I have 19 views on my video. And tell the truth, girl. And out of which 15 are my own views. I have watched my videos myself over again and again. So I think we should start playing the game. So I thought about playing this game in yesterday. So morning I woke up like 3 a.m. I was just so excited that I was not able to sleep. So I think you would like this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share the video, like the video. I hope you might like it. And also I wanted to ask you guys that how was today's intro. I tried to do something new in my intro part. So do let me know your views over today's intro. So we will start from this first picture of flower and then go towards the 24, this horse picture, and then the scenery, that mountain. So if you want the part 2 of this video, I will definitely make it, and we will do in that video, we will do the hard one. So let's start from the flower part. Play. So, and also we will try to do it as much fast as I can. I will try to do it, and also guys, I want to tell you that I'm not really good playing and talking at the same time. So if I make any kind of mistake, please pardon me. So I will put it here. It is going way too slow. I should do something over it, about it. And I had tried to make this video before, but I had tried that in phone, and it was getting hanged over again and again, and I was getting so frustrated that I was even ready to throw the phone in the trash. But I have tried to hold myself, and in this too, it is getting hanged.
So here guys, I want to tell you that I don't know what happened while screen recording. I had saved. I remember I had saved the clips, but I don't know where it vanished. So you will directly see another clip because I don't know where it went. So I'm very sorry. I will try to fix it in my next videos. There are so many problems going on, and I have no control over it. I tried to make this video I think almost 3 times, and now when I'm trying to edit the video I see that part of clip I don't know where it disappeared, so I'm sorry. So let's go to the next picture.
Do the horse picture. I have not made that picture yet, so let's see. Will I be able to do that? Play that? See, it is getting hang now only. So it will go here. Okay. No, it is not that piece. It will. So it will go up and it will go here. I think I'm speaking like I know everything, how it works, how it goes, but in reality it's been years since I have played this game. And if guys you see me talking something rubbish see, I don't even know what to talk about right now. I cannot really talk and play at the same time. I should really practice that, talking and playing at the same time. There are no pieces. Oh, how can we rotate it? Ghost, border. So we can hide that. It will go either here, it will go here, it will. Oh, we have to rotate it, but oh, you can rotate it like that. So I look very dumb there because I don't have mouse, and what can I say? So it will go here. Okay.
So I wanted to talk about that I have recently been learning many editing techniques from YouTube. So you might have seen, if you are watching me from for some time, you might have seen that some of my editing pattern has changed, and I have tried to make it better. So if you liked my editing, or if you can suggest me something, I will surely like to hear it from you. So thank you. Tell me. We have finally completed in 9 minutes 16 seconds. By the way, that is not really the correct time, but then also we will take it. So, and now we will play the third and last picture of today's video.
So guys, it again stopped. The screen recorder stopped by itself. So for every video to record every video, I have to suffer something, a big stress. It is just getting so frustrating that each and every time, whenever I try to record something, it always goes wrong. And sometimes even I cry about it. It is so so bad. I'm just making my own. So guys, from now I will not talk. I will voice over my voice.
If you have till here, then comment in the comment section stressed, the word stressed, from which I will know that you are watching my full video. From now, I will tell you one word in each and every video, anywhere in the video. So let's see who watches my video completely. So we have completed this third and last picture of the day. So I'm very happy to play this game. So do let me know in the comment section what do you thought about this video.
So I hope you liked today's video, and if you like today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share the video, like the video, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon, because if you hit the bell icon you will get the notification whenever I upload. So see you guys in the next video.